tragedy which happened in Munshi, wherein about 9 people had died. We had met the family members, and last about 12 to 13 days back we had a meeting with all the officers in Mahanagar Palika. There the company which is responsible had said that we'll give only 25 lakh rupees. Our demand was 1 crore rupees, but now every family is getting 40 lakhs. But some family members are saying that company is pressurizing us. They are telling us specifically that you have to accept this 40 lakh rupees, or if you demand more, then we will see that you will not get a single rupee. So now we are looking into it, but our demand for that family member is still 1 crore rupees. As far as education is concerned, it has to be very clear what kind of education support this company is going to give these family members and the children, as well as house which was supposed to be given by Mahanagar Palika. That subject has been taken by Mahanagar Palika, and they said that they will be providing them with the houses. So we are closely monitoring this issue. Plus, we had also specifically asked that action should be taken against the director of the company which is responsible, wherein that action is not yet taken. We have still demanded them. On Tuesday, they will come back to us on this particular issue. There's a guy called Sapkar, who's a security in charge, who is forcibly, action has been taken against him. So we have requested them the action should be taken against the owner of the company rather than taking action against the security in charge. So all these topics we have discussed again. In certain cases, Mahanagar Palika has done action, but in certain cases they have not. We have given them further 3 days to 4 days. Let's see what Mahanagar Palika and the officers working here have to say about this particular.
Also, you have taken a special meeting regarding the Chakan traffic with the company representatives. What would you like to say about this?
We met the company owners, we discussed with them. We also spoke to PWD as well as MIDC people, PMRDA people. They have also said that we'll definitely take action as soon as possible. But the thing is, 20 people had taken the press conference. But what we understand is there are many more people who are tired of traffic, the quality of road and other issues which actually MIDC is responsible for. And many more people want to leave our Maharashtra as well as MIDC. So we have requested them to tell those people not to leave Maharashtra, and we will also follow up it with CM as well as the industrial minister. And what we understand is after 3 days, Mr. Sharad Pawar, during whose ministership or CM-ship this MIDC had come here, he is also visiting all those company owners, and he will also talk to them and then talk to the Chief Minister of this state.
Recently in Nanded, ex-deputy CM of Punjab was attacked. What would you like to say?
See, this is the situation in Maharashtra. Ex-CM, deputy CM of Punjab, he comes for a religious purpose in Nanded, and there he is also not safe. He was attacked. So the person who has attacked them, or the organization who has attacked them, action should be taken. But a VIP is not safe in Maharashtra. So how come the normal people would be safe in Maharashtra? This is a big question. What is being discussed by people in state of Maharashtra?
Thank you.